Hello, class 5th. How are you all? Hope you are well and good. Welcome to EVS class. I am your EVS teacher Monica Yadav. Let us start fourth chapter of EVS named Migration. The name of the chapter is Migration. What is the meaning of migration? Migration means to move from one place to another. Let us read a story, a short story. It's about Sonu. Sonu's father was an engineer in the thermal plant. The occupation of Sonu's father is engineer. He is an engineer in a thermal plant. What is thermal plant? Thermal plant is a place where electricity is produced, power. He was transferred to a distant newly constructed thermal plant. He was transferred means they have to shift to a new place and a new thermal plant. This thermal plant was far away from the place where they lived. The whole family had to shift there because the new thermal plant was situated far away from the city. With Sonu, his mother, his father all have to transferred there, have to shift there. New colony was being constructed for the workers of the thermal plant. In the thermal plants, there were engineers and other workers are also working. So, a new colony was being constructed for their livelihood. Sonu was admitted in a new school near the thermal plant, but he was not enjoying there. He was not enjoying there because this school is new to him and all his friends are new. So that's why he was not enjoying this place. After some day, he had many friends, but when he got familiar with his school, his teachers, then he had many friends. He came to know about many new things of that area which were earlier not known to him. What were these things? Sonu realized that people working at the thermal plant were from different states. They were from different states. They were migrants. Note down this word. Migrants. They lived in small rooms and faced many problems in rainy season. So students, here we read a new word, migration. Let us know in detail what is migration, what are the causes of migration and what are the impact or effects of migration. The process of moving or being moved from one place to another in order to live or work is called migration. Migration can be temporal or permanent, and it may be voluntary or forced. Now, migrants. People coming from other state in search of work or shelter are called migrants. Okay? Clear, students? Now, why people have to migrate? Let us know. There can be many causes of migration. Some of these are given below. First is employment. People migrate from one place to another in search of employment. This is the most common reason due to which people migrate. Our second cause is natural calamities. Do you know what are natural calamities? Like drought, flood, all these are natural calamities. Natural calamities also become the cause of migration of the people. Flood or earthquake damages the houses of people. People have to migrate due to the shortage of food in drought-like situation. Lack of opportunity is also cause of migration. Better education. To get better education, people migrate from one place to another. Now let us know, students, what are the impact of migration. There are many impacts. They can be positive and they can be negative. Let us know positive impacts. Unemployment is reduced and people get better job opportunities. I told you before that people migrate in search of work, so they got job and become employed. Our second is migration help in improving the quality of life of people. They can live better life in the new place after getting job. Migration of skilled workers leads to a greater economic growth of the region. And children get better opportunities for higher education. many students migrate in order to get better education. Negative impacts are also here. The loss of person from rural areas impact on the level of output and development of rural areas. When people from rural area moves to urban area, then the development of the rural areas hinders. It affects the development of rural areas. Poverty makes them unable to live a normal and healthy life. Many people leave their place, but at the new place they faced many things. They have to face poverty there. They didn't get job. So that's why they have to live in a very abnormal situations. Our next negative impact is many migrants are completely illiterate. They are not educated. They are not fit for the many jobs. Children growing up in poverty have no access reach to proper nutrition, education or health. So these are the negative impacts. So impacts of migration are positive and negative both. So students, here our chapter has completed. Let us know what is the assignment for you. Here are the questions and answers that we have discussed in the chapter. You have to answer all these questions and also some fill in the blanks. So you have to do all these question answers and fill in the blanks in your notebook neatly and also learn them, students. Okay, learning part is very important. So for today it is enough. In the next video we will do new chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.